Hello and welcome to the Pound Trader, a channel where I share experiences of trading the Pound USD. In this video, I will be sharing with you the trade setups I was able to identify from May week 1, 2023. Welcome to the channel. Okay, so I will be starting on the daily here, and this was on Monday. And in my last week's video, I was forecasting a buy, and so I was generally looking for buys during that week. So I just want to go to the 1 hour and then I will go to the 4 hour. So as per my strategy, this is Friday, and so I will be sharing with you how I normally take my trade setups. I start by changing the color of the previous low and the previous high, the line of the previous low or high, and then I start marking out zones in the middle of the period. So on Monday, if you saw my other forecast video, I was waiting for a retracement down here and then look for buys going up. So let's take a look at what happened, and I will increase the speed. Okay. So I normally do take counter trends, and the main reason I didn't really share this setup even in my thumbnail is because taking counter trends during buys can be really tricky, but this is something that I did see. I normally start trading, I am based in Kenya, and I normally start trading the pound from 9 a.m. EAT, and this, as you can see, happened before that time, all right? So this was a bearish engulfing. You can see that it didn't have any power to go up, and so it closed with a bearish candle to confirm the sells. This would have been a setup that I would have taken, but I didn't take it because it was not within my trading time. And yeah, as you can see, that would have been a win. And the main reason I targeted down here is because this was the previous, swing points. And also, if we look at the fib levels, let's see, it was right on the 61.8%. So it would have been great confluence. But I didn't take that trade because I just wasn't really confident. And yeah, my time had passed. So yeah, I'm just going to delete that. I was looking for buys. So I was looking for a buy around here, but I think the day had ended. Let's see. Yeah, the day had ended. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the speed. So as I said, so I'm going to change the color of this line because this was Monday's low. So I'm going to change it to a different color just so that I am able to identify, that was the low. There we go. And then I'll change this into black. And this one, I'll move it down there. And I believe this was also a zone. So it was the same thing even on the 4 hour. I was waiting for it to come down. Don't mind my lines on the 4 hour. It's because I put different visibilities. Yeah, but I'll also increase the speed just for the 4 hour so we can see. Yeah, so that was the retest. Yeah. All right. So on Tuesday, I was looking for a buy, as I said, and I saw that, we do have something going on here. This was I don't remember if this was like a zone over here. No, this is not the strongest swing point, but I was looking for a buy because I saw this hammer over here, and I said, you know what, it looks like a double bottom over here. And then I took a long position somewhere around here. My stop loss was around 30 pips. I always target a 1:2. I don't do big risk to reward ratios. And that was an L. So Tuesday was an L for me, which is okay. I was like, okay, maybe I should have seen on the 4 hour that the candles that were printed here didn't really show any signs of bullish momentum. I can see two pin bars, but the other one that closed was, a bearish pin bar. So yeah, maybe would have taken the hint, but that's part of trading. You learn. Okay, so that was an L. So I'm going to go and adjust the color again. All right, and then, yeah, so that was an L. Told myself I'm not really going to trade again until I see something that I like. So I didn't really get any bearish candles, as you can see, apart from that one that I thought. But even if we look, this wasn't the best pin bar because there was still a wick over there. All right. So yeah, so Tuesday, that was an L, no buy trade for me there. So I don't know if this was Wednesday now. All right, so I'm gonna adjust again. So as you can see, just adjusting. I think I left this zone over here because on the 4 hour, this was the strongest point over here. So let me just fast forward it on the 4 hour as well. There we go. And we can see on the 4 hour, we did get some rejection over here. We did have this this bullish pin bar with a little bit of a wick over here. Maybe if you trade, maybe if people were trading on the 4 hour, maybe some people entered here, I don't know. But yeah, this was a good indication for me to start looking for buys. Sorry. So yeah, so this is Wednesday now. I was looking for a retest either down here to go up or a break above here and go down for me to take the trade. Yup. So yeah, even on Wednesday, I made a video about the trade setup that I'd be waiting for. So I was basically waiting for a setup like this. I was looking for it to break Tuesday's high to confirm for me that we are going bullish, and then a retest somewhere here, and then look for buys, yeah? So if you saw that video, then yeah, that was what I was looking for. And then we did end up getting the candle. Now this candle here, guys, it's not the best sort of candle to enter with, but I did see that it did engulf this previous one. And also if we put the moving averages, okay, I have the 20 here, and we can see here that there was a candle bounce on the moving average. There was also a 50 moving average here. I don't know why it's not here, but it did bounce off these two. So this was around 5 p.m., yeah, 6 p.m., 4 p.m., yeah. And then my stop loss was around 30 pips as well, somewhere around there. My minimum stop loss is always 30 pips. There we go, target a 1:2. And then, yeah, so that played out. It did reach TP around midnight, 10. And so, yeah, I was quite happy about this trade. Yeah, I just held it there for 60 pips. Okay, so now adjusting my zone again, changing the color. So every day I do this, guys. I update my key levels, and you know, yeah. And then this, as you can see, this was Wednesday's low. Okay, so now, so Wednesday, that was plus 2%. All right, and now this is Thursday. So on Thursday, I was looking for the same thing. As you can see, I was still looking for buys even on the 4 hour. I can speed this up. Yeah, so even on the 4 hour, I was still looking for buys. I saw that this was almost like a double top, but it wasn't really, considering it did close bearish. So I was looking for a retest and then take another buy. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this and then we'll see what happened. So this is Thursday. All right, oops, I went too far. So I just want to show you where I entered. Okay, so I saw this on Thursday. This is Thursday, and you can see there was a moving average, a 20 moving average candle bounce here. Bullish, did close bullish. Hey, bullish. So I took my trade here. Now, normally, just aside from candles and moving averages, even if I put like a trend line over here, you can see that it did bounce off the trend line. And if we also look at the fib levels, we can see that it bounced also off the 38.2. So, and normally when it retraces below 32%, okay, I'm rambling. But basically, when there's a shallow retest, I try to put my stop loss either at the 50% fib or 61.8. But I also don't have such a big stop loss. So here, my stop loss was around 40 pips. Yeah, and then I targeted a 1:2. These are not my best trades, and I know some of you might be wondering, the market is overextended, blah, blah, blah. Yes, but if the market is still in a push phase, I will still be looking for buys. Okay, so yeah, that's what happened. And you could see it almost really went down. And then this was Friday now, so the trade went until Friday. and TP was hit, yeah? So this was Monday around 8 p.m. Eastern time. So yeah, so this was 80 pips. This was a tricky trade, but I did hold this trade. And yeah, so TP was hit. So this week closed with just 2 wins and 1 loss over here, so plus 3%. All right, so that's the trade breakdown of the trade setups I was able to identify. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on the pound USD. And also be on the lookout for the next video I'm dropping that will be a forecast for May week 2, 2023. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till the end, thank you so much, and see you on the next one.